Stretching your perspective of ultimate automotive luxury, expecting standard carbon fiber weave or machined titanium switchgear, and assuming that 260-mile-per-hour hypercars must rely solely on cold, industrial metallurgy. For decades, the ultra-premium echelon pushed structural boundaries through advanced composites. But right now, Bugatti's elite Sur Mesure customization division is launching a breathtaking, hyper-exclusive aesthetic offensive that revives an ancient, royal craft in the high-velocity era. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. I'm Ava. Today, we are staging a technical, analytical breakdown of a deeply fascinating automotive paradox, the one-of-one Bugatti W16 Mistral Blanc Éternel. At first glance, its striking, pure white body contrasted by razor-sharp geometric black lines looks like a living CAD-Wireframe model, tracing the raw mathematical surfaces of its design. But look closer. Bugatti has partnered with KPM, Berlin's legendary Royal Porcelain Manufactory, to fuse raw mechanical violence with fragile, fine china. Let's isolate the data to see how this rolling sculpture defies material limits. To grasp the sheer audacity of this commission, we must isolate the severe engineering calculations behind the craftsmanship. This isn't faux ceramic paint or basic plastic imitation. This vehicle utilizes real, kiln-fired physical porcelain on the exterior fuel filler cap, the central oil caps, the iconic EB emblems, and most shockingly, directly embedded into the engine cover inlays. Think about the physical stress parameters. We are talking about a quad-turbocharged, 8.0-liter W16 engine generating an absolute mountain of thermal energy and outputting 1,577 horsepower of raw, violent mechanical vibration to prevent the fine china from instantly shattering into dust. Bugatti and KPM engineers had to invent entirely new structural mounting techniques. Furthermore, porcelain contracts by precisely 17% when fired in the kiln. Engineers had to meticulously calculate this dimensional shrinkage inside their digital NURBS software before the raw clay ever entered the heat, ensuring a microscopic, flawless lock with the surrounding carbon fiber. It is a stunning triumph of predictive physics over fragile materials. Step past the active rear wing, where the elegant script, Blanc Éternel, is hand-painted on the underside, and enter the digital sanctuary of the cockpit. The interplay of geometric black lines flows seamlessly across the immaculate white leather surfaces, but the true masterpiece is the tactile interaction points. Every single time the driver enters the space, they physically interact with royal artistry. The entire gear selector layout, the central armrest inserts, the window control switchgear, and the intricate speaker grille covers are entirely fashioned from KPM fine porcelain. It feels colder, heavier, and dramatically more substantial than any metal or carbon alternative. In a brilliant, almost humorous nod to the ultimate luxury lifestyle, the vehicle features 0 standard cup holders. Instead, the anonymous billionaire owner is supplied with 1,000 matching, handmade KPM porcelain travel cups. It completely redefines the concept of bespoke identity. This brings us directly to my definitive tactical verdict and historical market positioning. What is the real objective of the Blanc Éternel? My final analysis is absolute. This one-of-one creation isn't designed to chase lap times or break basic drag racing records. This is the official, absolute, road-going farewell to Bugatti's combustion-only W16 era before the hybrid V16 permanently takes over the production lines. By wrapping the twilight of this historic powertrain in an 18th-century royal craft, Bugatti has ensured that this car will instantly become a ghost-status crown jewel, likely hidden away in a private vault, never to see the asphalt of a standard racetrack. My personal, analytical view on this machine is clear. It proves that at the absolute peak of wealth and engineering, an automobile ceases to be a tool for transportation. It becomes an immortal, unrepeatable artifact of human capability. If you want to track the absolute front lines of ultra-luxury design plays, material science breakthroughs, and deep hypercar breakdowns, hit that subscribe button to Vision Effect TV right now. Drop your raw analytical insights in the comments below. Would you dare drive a car with a porcelain engine bay? I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the very next technical breakdown.